This video will help your API service connect to core service in local machine. First, open the deploy folder in the core project. You can choose MySQL or PostgreSQL in all-in-one folder. In this video, I use MySQL as an example. Start the Docker Compose and then we can see the services in Docker Desktop. Open localhost to visit the website. Go to the initialization page to initialize the databases. Then we can log in the website by default account. We use member service as an example to explain how to connect to core service. Make sure that the codes have been cloned to local machine. Update the project dependencies separately. Use go work init command to create workspace to sync the project dependencies. Make sure that the common dependencies between your projects should be the same. Next, create the local config files. For database configuration, you can directly check the configuration file in the Docker container. Copy it. Paste the corresponding configuration for RPC and API, and modify the server IP to the local address. Modify the storage address of the log files to a local folder. Remember to configure the address for RPC. Configure the startup command. You can see an error in the service because the root secret key has not been configured yet. Please note that if you require unified authentication across multiple APIs, you need to set the same secret key for all of them. Copy the secret key from the core API. Simply paste the secret key into the configuration of the MMS API. Run them again. Now we can download the backend UI codes. Open the project and install dependencies. The project has built-in module pages, all of which are automatically generated by the tool. Run the codes. Initialize the member services database. Note, the port is 5173. The proxy configuration locates invite config ts. Now we can log in the website. Next, add backend permissions. Make sure to click confirm separately. Do not update the menu and API permissions at the same time. Refresh the page for updating routes. Then you can access the member service menu. The configuration file for Nginx is located in the deploy folder. You can uncomment different sections based on your requirements. Thank you for completing this tutorial. If you have any more questions or need further assistance in the future, feel free to ask. Have a great day.